That'll be $7,000.
7,000? All I got is 75 bucks.
That's only enough to send your luggage.
Then, just send my suitcase, Bub.
Here's your... tourists.
This is no way to travel. Which way to first class? Now this is how a woodpecker was meant to fly.
Hello, welcome to paradise in the skies.
Whoa!
Are you flying on business today?
Oh, no. I'm on vacation. And, call me Woody.
You are so cute. When we land, would you like a tour of my home island? Yeah?
Oh, yeah. And, while we're in the air, how's about you give me a tour of that buffet over there? This is the life.
Folly Walrus!
Oh, Inga, my most favorite flight attendant in the whole world. Look what I bought for you.
Woody, my little Woodla, where are you?
Don't be gone long, Inga.
Thanks for the chocolates, Bub. But Inga's my first-class date, so hands off. Look what I've got for you, Inga.
Oh, Woody, how nice.
Yeah, they just had you written all over them.
Why, that no good Inga thief?
Whoa!
All passengers, please buckle your seatbelts. We are proceeding to take off.
My Woodpecker.
Didn't you hear, tourist? Passengers to your seat.
Hey, what's the big idea? I'm from first class. Ask Inga. Inga!
My biggest rule in tourist class is shut your yap unless you're eating chicken or fish. Do I look like I have all day?
Get me the fish.
This is tourist class. Get it yourself, Woodpecker.
Hiya, buddy. Gonna eat that?
Sure. Knock yourself out, bub. I gotta get back to first class. This is the captain speaking. Would flight attendant Inga please come to the flight deck? Inga to the flight deck, please. Ready to log some frequent suspender miles, bub?
That's no good, Woodpecker.
Freeze! Just where do you think you're going, tourist? Trying to sneak into first class?
No, why would I when, a beautiful attendant like you is right here with me?
Oh my! Well, you don't have to go to first class to be treated like first class. Escargot!
Oh, yuck. I mean, yoy, you bet. But, I will need something to wash them down with.
You just sit right there, my big pumpernickel. Back in a jiff!
Woodpecker! Would attendant Inga please come to the flight deck at once? Yeah, you bet. Now I fix that woodpecker. attendant's lounge? Yeah.
Flight attendant's lounge?
It's right there, Woodpecker. Now it's just you and me, Inga. No, Inga! Oh, what have I done? Oof! I want to live!
Don't worry, Walrus. Our love was meant to live! My hero! We're together now and never have to fly solo again.
Oh, Woodla, welcome to German Polynesia.